Hey YouTube, it's Mystery Shadow 1969 on the Royal Caribbean's Oasis of the Seas. We're on deck 15. Let's check it out. Let's start off in El Loco Fresh. Of course, as the name implies, fresh Mexican food, and it is absolutely amazing. What makes it even more amazing, it's complimentary. Over here is where you'd have all the wonderful food. They'd have toppings here at the salsa station. Great stuff at El Loco Fresh. All right. If you don't know, the Oasis class ships are built like a giant hot dog bun. It's split down the middle, kind of like two ships, left side and right side. This is cool. Look at that. You look down into the boardwalk. All the way down there. Cool. Alright. Alright. And check this out. They got like a sports court over here. They do all kinds of stuff here. Tennis, pickleball, badminton, they do basketball, they do all kinds of other sports like dodgeball, and wow, all kinds of fun stuff there. On the opposite side, there's the Oasis Dunes. Mini golf. Yeah. This way, they get other fun stuff. They got not one, but two flow riders. What's a flow rider? Let me show you. All right.
Make sure that you're all covered before you stand up.
Over here, this is a flow rider. It's like an unlimited wave that constantly goes. Got boogie boarding over here. Doesn't that look like fun? And this is the ultimate abyss. It's anglerfish. Yeah. Even got the photosphere. If you take a dry slide all the way down, it's at deck 6. And here's the other flow rider here on the port side of the ship. There, big lessons going on here. Yeah. Maybe get some action. I don't know. We'll see. But let's take a look at the town. Alright, we're in Falmouth, Jamaica. Look at this. Beautiful island country. And here's the fish. Someone's on the flow rider, going stand-up surfing. Let's see what happens. He's up. He's doing it. And he's down. Can you do it? Have you done it? Can you do the flow rider? I've tried it. I'm no good at it. I'm sorry. Here's a better look at the mini golf, the Oasis Dunes. All right, there's a specialty restaurant here at the end of the sports court, sports deck here. The sign says, "Let's meet here." But where is here? This is the port side barbecue, located on the port side. If you like barbecue, this is a great place to hang out, to eat. Portside Barbecue. All right. Look at this. Got another sign here at the end of the hall. Again, let's meet here. All right. Oops. A little breezy, but it's really nice breeze. Oh, loud announcements. But they got ping pong.
Man your routes, man your routes, man your routes. Man your routes, man your routes, man your routes. Man your routes, man your routes, man your routes.
Yes, man your routes. They have a Paddy Dive Center. You can actually get certified in scuba. Even do open water too. Here's one of the many pools they have. Seems like it's closed for maintenance at the time. In the distance is a kiddie pool. A little splash area. Let's head up. Got a wonderful Caribbean breeze going on. Here's a nice elevated view of the pool deck. You see that one pool that's closed off. You can see in the distance the kiddie pool, splash area. They have hot tubs. Man, look at this. Look at the color of that water. That's so awesome. It's open, it's inviting. So doing repair work here to the wind shade kind of thing. A lime and coconut bar. Don't go thirsty. Up this way we got a giant like hot tub here. Overlooking another set of pools. Sorry about the construction noise, but maintenance got to be done. Alright. Beach pool over there. Sports pool over here. You can see the water slides in the distance. Yeah. Looks like great fun. Let me tell you, it is. Alright. I apologize for the background noise. I know it's a problem, but after it's done, the ship will even be more awesome. Alright. And of course, this is me, Mystery Shadow 1969 on Royal Caribbean's Oasis of the Seas. Hopefully you like this video. If so, please give it a thumbs up. I appreciate it. If you haven't already, please subscribe. I appreciate that too. Thanks for watching. Hopefully I'll get to see you on board soon. Have a great day.